Hello, Professor. In this video, we will talk about AI in transportation, autonomous vehicles. Okay, let me start to introduction. Autonomous vehicles, also known as driverless cars, computer-driven cars, it is a vehicle that requires driver assistance or not control at all. AI is key to enabling self-driving cars. It helps this vehicle detect objects, recognize traffic signs, stay in their lanes, and making driving safer, smoother by assisting in managing traffic and optimizing parking management using computer vision models such as your Log V8. This is the example of autonomous vehicles. Autonomous driving is divided into level 0 to level 5. Level 0 is when the vehicle is fully driven by human driver, and level 5 is fully autonomous driving. Okay, next I will talk about the significance of autonomous driving in the subsectors. First is about freight and logistics. Use AI, it can reduce labor costs by replace drivers for long-distance transportation and improve efficiency such as reducing delivery time. The second one is about public transportation. Autonomous vehicle can alleviate the driver shortage problem, improve travel in remote areas, and commuting convenience. The last one is agriculture automation. Use AI can improve agriculture production efficiency, support precision agriculture, and promote the upgrade of traditional agriculture to intelligentization. And these are some examples, not all areas.
Artificial intelligence technology plays an important role in the field of transportation. The following are some types of AI technology involved in transportation and a brief introduction. Firstly, let's talk about machine learning. In transportation, it helps predict a traffic jam. By looking at past traffic data, like when roads are usually busy, it can tell us if there will be a traffic jam today. This way, apps on our phones can suggest better routes, saving our time. Next is deep learning, which is more advanced form of machine learning. For example, in self-driving cars, deep learning helps the car see. Using special computer programs like CNNS, the car can recognize things on the road, such as other cars, pedestrian, and the traffic sign. This makes self-driving cars safer and more reliable. Then there are natural language process. It is all about helping computer understanding human language. In transportation, we use it when we talk to our GPS. Language processing also help translate road signs or traffic announcements in different language, making travel easier for everyone. Computer vision is another important AI technology. In transportation, camera on roads use computer vision to count the number of cars, check for traffic violations, and even detect if everyone runs in a red light. The information helps the traffic management system working better and keeps the road safe. Finally, intelligent planning and decision-making technology help transportation system making smart choice. They consider many factors like traffic conditions and the time of the day to make the better decisions. In short, AI technology are everyone in transportation. They work together and make the trip to be better, whether we driving, taking a bus, or using delivery service.
I'm going to cover examples of AI in real-world scenario, and I'm going to take you through 4 groundbreaking examples. Tesla's vision-based autopilot has logged over 7 billion miles, reducing highway accidents by 40%. L2 is intelligent assistant and driving technology for cars, but the L2 level can only play a certain auxiliary role and cannot fully driving automatically. Autopilot adopt Tesla's vision and rely on its surround cameras and deep neural networks to achieve environment awareness. L4 self-driving that is highly self-driving means that under specific circumstances and conditions, the vehicle can complete the driving task completely autonomously and monitor the driving environment without the intervention of human drivers. Waymo's robotaxis, with their LiDAR and AI, now shuttle passengers in Phoenix with a safety record 67% better than human drivers. Cruise's steering wheel-free share car provide new travel option for people with disability because there is a wheelchair fixture in the car. To logistics, two simple self-driving stocks cut freight cost by 30%.
For my part, I'd like to talk about autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars, and how artificial intelligence is changing the way we move. We look at both the benefits and the challenges this technology brings to our daily lives. One of the biggest benefits of autonomous vehicles is safety. Most accidents happen because of human mistakes, but AI can react faster and make better decisions. They also help people who can't drive, like the elderly or those with disabilities, travel independently. By working together, self-driving cars can avoid the traffic jams and reduce the time we spend stuck on the road. And since these cars are programmed to drive more efficiently, they use less fuel and produce fewer emissions, which helps protect the environment. But there also have some big challenges. For example, if self-driving cars become common, many drivers like truckers and taxi drivers, they maybe lose their jobs. And secondly, they also have some ethical problems like if a crash is unavoidable, should the car protect the passenger or the pedestrian? Thirdly, these cars need to collect and send a lot of data. That means they can be hacked or misused, putting our privacy and safety at risk. Finally, people still have doubts about whether these cars are safe, and the rules and the laws are not yet ready for this kind of technology. In conclusion, AI-powered autonomous vehicles have the potential to make our transportation systems safer, smarter, and greener. They improve quality of life for people who can drive, and they push the industry to innovate in new ways. But they also raise serious questions about the ethics, data privacy, and job roles. We need strong rules, better planning, and public trust to make this technology truly benefit society.
The rapid development of autonomous driving technology has brought us convenience and safety, but it has also raised many important ethical and social issues. Firstly, self-driving vehicles are confronted with the issue of moral dilemmas, such as how AI makes the decision of whether to sacrifice a few to save the majority in an emergency. This is a complex ethical conundrum. Secondly, the issue of responsibility attribution remains unanswered to this day. If an accident occurs to an autonomous vehicle, who should be held responsible? Is the manufacturer, the development company, or the car owner? This brings huge challenge to the law. Furthermore, autonomous driving technology involves the collection of a large amount of personal data. How to ensure that data privacy is not violated is also an urgent problem to be solved. Meanwhile, autonomous driving may lead to unemployment in the traditional driving industry and bring potential instability factor to society. On reflection, although technology is developing rapidly, we need to pay attention to legal, ethical and social considerations while promoting innovation to ensure that this technology can truly benefit society.